Okay, this one here is going to be a little weird, so I'm actually kind of excited about this one. Maybe something you haven't thought about, something I've done before using SuperClean, the actual degreaser. So, in the past, I've only been buying this stuff, right? Well, then they send me the foaming stuff. Hey. Now, the reason why I got a little bit excited is because I actually use this stuff to clean screens on my windows. You don't really think about it. See if I can make it show up. Look how dirty that is. You see that? That should be crystal clear. You should be able to see right through that. That is all dirt, dust, filth. I mean, look at that. That's nasty.
Don't look at it. Shut your eyes, Mary, and don't look at it no matter what happens.
Now, I got two different ones here. I'll be able to compare them, right? So we're gonna set this one over here. That way it doesn't get, I don't accidentally get it wet, because I want to have a dirty one and a clean one, right? That's how we do our tests. So, not that the spray bottle is any real problem with it. The problem is, even when you put it, let's see, that's on stream. Put on spray. We're still using quite a bit of it, right? And I don't know if all of it's getting on there. You have to use quite a bit of the product. Now, with this aerosol stuff, I think it'll do a better job. Let's give it a try. Oh, see? I'm already convinced. See how well it's gripping into the... Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's gonna come out nice. Now see, I covered the whole screen and I only used just a very small amount from this can. And I can even go back over it again. See? And with the bottle, I end up using quite a few squirts. So it doesn't really go as far. Now, do I need to flip it over? Yeah, maybe, maybe not. You know what? Probably won't hurt. We'll give it a quick shot. But the way it sprays, I think works a whole lot better for the application. I like this. Okay. Let's see what happens. Amateur hour with the camera. I could probably do a little more rinsing. It's not bad. Definitely have to let it dry, but I think you could probably tell already. Oh! Sorry, trying to do things right-handed or left-handed again. You can get a little bit better rinsing here. Okay. Oh yeah. See, and there's still a lot of water in it too. Can you see now? Look at that. See the difference? And that's not even dry yet. Wait till that thing dries off. Look at that. All that crap was in the screen. And this stuff cleans it right up like nobody's business. Like I said, I've used the regular spray, like over there, but I think these cans work a heck of a lot better because you get more coverage without using nearly as much product. So this is definitely, and, you know, I stumbled across this one day because I got to thinking, I wonder if I could use this to clean these screens, because I was trying to wipe them off by hand with, you know, your typical soapy water, stuff like that. And yeah, I thought, well, I'll try it. Sure enough. I mean, how can you argue with that? I mean, look at that. Just look at that. Look at it.
Oh, would you look at that? Just look at that.
You can see how nasty that is. And it's not even dry yet. Hang on, maybe I can figure out a way to speed up the dry time here. All right, so I'm back. It's a threat, not a promise. I let the screen dry a little bit. See how much better that is? There's the dirty one. Ugh. Look at that difference. So, SuperClean. So you can add that to another one of your list of uses. How this stuff cleans screens. It does awesome. Anyways, that should wrap up what I had planned, at least for this. Again, this is another product in the aerosol. Definitely has its places. I don't know cost-wise if you end up, I had to check to see what this retails for. If you'd be better off just using the bottle, or if this can, which I think the can does a much better job in situations like this because you get a much better spray in the product. I mean, I barely used any of this, whereas I probably could have used a good quarter of the bottle, you know, trying to get the... So I would say that the can would work better for this situation. The SuperClean spray bottle, I mean, it's what I was using and it does work, but I think you use more product in this application than you would with the spray can. So I would definitely say the spray can is the way to go for cleaning something like this. I mean, look at the job it does. I mean, how can you... Look at that. I mean, look at that. Look at it! Such a difference. And people, if you didn't think you had to clean your screens, you got to clean your screens. So anyways, let me... I'm going to go ahead and do this one now. You've seen everything I wanted to show you. And I recommend it. I mean, the stuff in the aerosol can works great. I have absolutely no qualms with it at all. It may actually work better as a degreaser in some cases because it seems to grab onto and hangs on a lot longer. I'll see if I got something greasy I can try that stuff on. Might be another one I add to the collection here. But yeah, so far, excellent idea using the spray foam on the screens here. I think it works out a lot better. You use a lot less product, goes a lot farther. So yeah, absolutely. All right, well, had a little bit of fun with our new products. I hope the little bit of evaluation I did helps you make up your mind on whether you're going to buy a SuperClean product or not. I'll tell you, I'm pretty impressed with this stuff. I'm glad they sent it to me. I'm glad I got to try it out. I highly suggest you guys give it a try too. I've always had good luck with this stuff. I highly recommend these products. They really work out pretty well. And thank you, SuperClean, for sending this stuff out for me to try out. Hopefully you all see something you could use, make use out of. I definitely going to use what I got here, and I'm absolutely going to be buying more. You will not get me off this degreaser. This stuff works awesome. So anyways, you guys and everyone and SuperClean, thank you very much. Thank you for allowing me to make this video for you, showcasing your products. I appreciate that, and thanks for the t-shirt and the hat. Keep your eyes open. There might be a few more videos in the future. We'll see how things go. But for now, I'm good. I got enough things I got to catch up on. So anyways, we'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks, SuperClean.